Here that a glossary part in this lesson, a first point in this glossary, they are given a bivalent. What they are given? Bivalent. Here a bivalent. What is the meaning of bivalent? Where we are seeing that first thing is apacetine. Apacetine part la நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Bivalent பார்த்தோமா? Just have to recall once again for an apacetine. In that apacetine part, they are present in a meiosis. Meiosis la prophase 1. Okay ma, apacetine, which means their chromosome or visible a long parried twisted thread like structures la இருக்கும். That is in a meaning of a bivalent. Here in this glossary part, what they are given? Homologous. Okay va, here homologous சொல்றாங்க. Meiosis la homologous part la present ஆயிருக்கனால homologous chromosome before the duplication in meiosis. Just like it, before this is in a what? A cell structure, and inside of a cell they are having a chromosome, right? Thread-like structures. Before the duplication, they are forming in a thread-like structures. Two sister chromatids they are formed, right? So here homologous chromosome before the duplication of a meiosis. So that is a bivalent, and will be more. Next one, a centromere. What is the next one? Centromere. Here a centromere, where it is present. Just imagine this is the structure of one long chromosome. Usually they are having a two arms, that is a sister chromatids in சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. In the center point they are connected to the each chromatids with the help of one part. That is a name of a centromere. That is a what? A centromere. In this glossary part, what they are given in kinetochore. Kinetochore is a kind of protein parts. Just here a green color label draw பண்ணிருக்கலையா, is a kind of a protein part. There is a kinetochore nu சொல்லுவாங்க, primary construction. Okay va, that is another meaning for another name for the centromere. So that's it for a centromere. And next one they are given a chiasma. This is the third one. What is the third one? Chiasma. Here a chiasma which means a point to connect and interchanging between the chromatide. Here this is what ma, that only a chromatides. இதுதான் என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம்? Chromatides ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். So this is centromere and this is what? A chromatides. Here a chiasma அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, just wait. Now this is what the chromosome இல்லைங்களா, when they are pointed to connect or interchange, just like this, or another chromosome. Sorry, this is not a here. So here they are having a meeting point of a chromosome, right? A point to connect or interchanging of a chromatide, interchanging between the chromatide of two homologous chromosomes. This is two homologous chromosomes. They are interchanging the chromosomal, that is a chromatide parts. So that is a naming of a chiasma. There be more. Next one, a chromatides. What is the next one? A chromatides. Just write a topic. Chromatides. Chromatides we already label that part, right? This is an oral structure of a chromosome, sister chromosome. Two identical longitudinal halls of a chromosome which share the common centromere, which share the what? a common centromere in the sister chromatide. This is a sister chromatide. Why they say a sister chromatide? They are near to that. That is why they are called as a sister chromatide. Okay, but two identical longitudinal cells இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, அந்த குரோமோசோம் இது காமனாக இது ஐடென்டிக்கல் longitudinal cells தானே. They are connected in the commonly for the centromere in the form of a sister chromatide. ஓகேவா, near to இருக்கிறதுனால what they are called as a sister chromatide. So that's it for chromatides. Let me move on next one, diploid. What is the next one? Diploid. Here a diploid. Diploid nale there is a what mark? 2. Yeah. So here a cells having two complete set of chromosome. What they are given? The cells having a two complete set of chromosome. Yeah. Here the diploid, which mean the cells having a two complete set of a chromosome. 2 in number of chromosome irupanga. If you are saying a haploid, they are having a one complete set of chromosome. That is an N. First thing, diploid. When there fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete, they are having a two complete set. When they are present in a single or gametes, a sperm, that is a separate sperm or separate ovum, they are having a separate set of a chromosome. So that is a N number of a chromosome. When they are fused to that, they are forming a diploid set of a chromosome. Okay ma, so that's it for a diploid and haploid. It will be more next one, interphase. What is the next one? Interphase. Just write a topic. What is the next one? Interphase. Interphase is a resting phase of cell between two division. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Interphase என்றது a kind of resting phase. So they are when they are happen any division? No, they are not taken any division for that. எந்த டிவிஷனும் நடக்காது. When they are happen na, usually at the time of a meiosis stageல மோஸ்டா resting phase னு ஒன்று இருக்குமா. That is an interphase. Here the interphase அப்படின்னா என்ன மீனிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார்ப்போமா. The interphase is a resting phase of a nucleus. The interval between two successive cell division. ரெண்டு successive cell division முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த resting phase அதான் சொல்லுவோம். For an example, என்ன resting phase னு சொல்றாங்க பார்ப்போமா. This is what? One kind of a cell, a nucleus. The cells having a nucleus and now they go for a division. Here they are having a complete set of chromosome. இல்லைங்களா, two successive cell division. Cells are prepared itself for the next cell division. Next cell division க்கு prepare பண்ணணும் இல்லையா. So at that time they are given as a interphase. So that's it for an interphase. Let me move on next one. And next one they are given a osteocytes. What is the next one? Osteocytes. Osteocytes where it is present அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா in that bone marrow. Just imagine this is the bone. This is what? A bone. Here they are having a liquid phase, a fluid and lamella. Lamella இருக்கும், fluid இருக்கும் இல்லையா. And innermost part they are having a osteocytes. This is what? Osteocytes. And now how to say that what is an osteocytes? A cell, there is a bone cell present between. Bone cell or a present between. Okay ma, எங்க present ஆயிருக்குன்னா lamella. Okay, this is what? A lamella in fluid. A space is called. Lamella இருக்க ஒரு fluid filled spaceல they are having a one kind of cell that is an osteocytes. So that's it for an osteocytes. Will be more next one. We are having a synapses. What is the next one? We are having that synapses. Yes, here the next one. The topic is a synapses. What is the next one, ma? Synapses. Here a synapses, which mean this is one set of chromosome. And here this is the another set of chromosome. At the time they are pairing to that. Pair agudungla. Sister chromatides are paired to that another sister chromatides. ஒரு sister chromatides என்ன ஆகுது வேற ஒரு chromatides கூட pair ஆகுது இல்லையா? So pairing of an homologous chromosome during the meiosis stage அப்ப pair ஆகிற chromosome தான் என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? synapse சொல்றாங்க. And next one they related to that is the name of what? Tetrad. What is the name? A tetrad. Here a tetrad. In this portion pair ஆகிற portions இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? In that portion name is a tetrad. If 4 haploid cells are arising from the meiosis, a form is a 4 associated chromatides. 4 associated chromatides are form ஆகும். ஓகேவா? அதான் என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Tetrads சொல்றாங்க. So we are complete our today lesson. I hope you have to understand to that. Okay student, you have to follow all the things in your observation note. You have to write in a cleared way and follow the homework in your classwork note. Okay, thank you student. We will see the remaining topic for our next class. Thank you.